2019 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, passenger airbag, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.